Welcome to 8 Quanta Library Content. In this video, we'll discuss how to learn NetSuite. Learning NetSuite effectively depends on your goals, e.g., accounting, administration, technical setup. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you learn NetSuite, whether you're a beginner, an accountant, a developer, or an aspiring NetSuite consultant. 1. Understand what NetSuite. NetSuite is a cloud-based ERP system that includes financials and accounting, customer relationship management (CRM), inventory and order management, HR and payroll in some regions, project management, customization via SuiteScript, SuiteFlow, SuiteBuilder. 2. Choose your learning track. Pick the track most relevant to your role: accountant, finance user, transactions, reports, chart of accounts, bank recs. Admin, functional user, forms, roles, permissions, workflows, saved searches. Developer, technical user, SuiteScript, SuiteTalk, API, SuiteBuilder, SuiteFlow, consultant, business analyst, all modules plus configuration and best practices. 3. Start with NetSuite Learning Resources. Free options: NetSuite Help Center, if you have access via an account; NetSuite Learning Cloud Support, LCS, often included with a NetSuite license; YouTube tutorials, e.g. NetSuite Basics, how to use NetSuite for finance; blogs and forums, NetSuite Professionals Slack, Suite Answers, Reddit r/s NetSuite. Beginner topics to learn first: navigation and dashboards, saved searches, customer, vendor, and item records; transactions, sales orders, invoices, bills, basic reports and financial statements. 4. Use a sandbox or demo account. If your company provides a sandbox, explore it freely. Try entering customers, creating invoices, running reports, explore forms, roles, and dashboards. If you don't have access to NetSuite, use video walkthroughs, watch role-specific user flows, e.g. quote to cash. 5. Get certified. NetSuite offers the following certifications: NetSuite User, Financial User for accountants, controllers, finance users; Suite Foundation certification for admins, functional users, core skills; NetSuite Administrator for system admins managing configuration; NetSuite ERP Consultant for consultants and implementation specialists; NetSuite Developer for SuiteScript and technical users. 6. Practice with real scenarios. If you're using NetSuite at work, shadow your team or ask to help with CSV imports, saved search building, report customizations, workflow automations. And that's how to learn NetSuite. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.